Alright guys, we're going to be covering the first week of May here. So on Monday we're going to be establishing either a 1, 3, or 5 rep max for the back squat. Use the charts that we've created here just to figure out where you should be going. If you're not sure, I want you to actually go one level down. So if you're not sure between intermediate or advanced, go to intermediate, and then beginner or intermediate, just go to beginner. It's not a bad thing to ever establish a 5 rep max or a 3 rep max. Just don't think that you're ready to establish a 1 rep max if you really aren't. The coaches will help you decide on that one. Metcon is a fan favorite, I'm sure. Karen, so 150 wall balls for time. Nice and simple. Just do the same thing over and over and over. We have a 12-minute time cap on this, so I want you guys picking a weight as well as a height that will allow you to get that under the 12 minutes. That's important there. On Tuesday, what we're going to be covering for the strength is just push press. There's no accessory work on this day. For the Metcon, we have 3 mini AMRAPs with a 1-minute rest in between. So you can see all the different movements here. Key for this, just keep moving quick. Pick a weight that's not heavy for you. I put 95-65 for all the movements. So the barbell movements are push press, power cleans, and deadlifts. If that's a heavy weight for you, then definitely scale it down so you can do the 10 unbroken for most of the 3 minutes there. Once you're done all this, the AMRAPs, we're going to actually finish this workout off with an 800-meter run. And that should be an all-out run with that 1-minute rest prior. You're going to be tired, obviously, but I want you guys going all out for that. On Wednesday, what we have for strength, we're going to be working on overhead squats. If you do not have the mobility yet, so it's not a strength thing, it's always mobility, we're going to be working on overhead lunges with the barbell. Metcon is going to be Nancy, so it's 5 rounds for time of a 400-meter run and 15 overhead squats. Pick the weight appropriately. Don't just go heavy and have really bad form and your shoulders are in a bad position, you're not getting full depth. It's the last thing we want to see. It's all about just technique and getting full range of motion with the proper weight for you for that day. Your core is going to be shot, so just make sure that everything is tight when you do this and you're not rushing through the movements and we're not putting you at a risk of hurting yourself. We want to make sure that that weight is on the lighter side. On Thursday is 2 components, so close grip bench press and GHD hip extensions. Metcon is going to be 2 5-minute AMRAPs, a little bit of 1-minute AMRAPs sandwiched in between there. So you're going to be doing 1-arm overhead walking lunges, pull-ups, overhead walking lunges again, kettlebell swings. You're going to get a 1-minute rest, so we're going to do a max effort test of toes to bar for 1 minute, or whether it be knee raises or whatever version works for you, and then the exact same workout again at the end there. So Friday is going to be 2 components for the strength, so it's going to be front squats to start. Once you're done with the front squats, we're going to move on to the dumbbell Bulgarian split squats. Only using weight for this. If you can do those perfectly for all the reps, full range of motion as well on that. Metcon is going to be 4 rounds for time. For advanced intermediate, you guys are going to be doing 10 pistols, alternating legs. You can obviously substitute out a varied version of the pistol, so whether it be like using a band or a weight plate, whatever it may be. Then 10 burpees and a 200-meter run. Beginner, I want you guys working on the actual air squat component if you're newer. So 25 air squats, 8 burpees, 200-meter run, and again 4 rounds for that. On Saturday is going to be deadlifts, higher volume for the strength component there. And the Metcon is going to be a 12-minute AMRAP. We're pulling back the bar muscle ups from the open. So 4 bar muscle ups, 8 burpee box jumps, and 8 deadlifts. Intermediate and beginner is going to be a little bit different there, where you're going to be doing some sort of pull up and some sort of and then a push up. Sorry. That's it for the week, guys, and we'll see you in the gym.